When there is a software update, you either get the notification on your phone, or when you get in your car, you have that pop-up right away that lets you schedule when to do your software update. It typically tells you how long the software update will take, which lets you know if you should, plan to schedule it for later if you have some driving to do. You can go into your car and hit your controls and go to software, and in here you can scroll down and you can see what the updates are for, and if you want to read about what the update will be, you can select these release notes. So I can click in here and I can go through, and it's just got minor fixes on this update. I can hit the controls and go back to software again, and I can go down and see there's another update and hit release notes on that, and then I can go through and I can read about it. So this will be for my update from version 13 FSD to 14.1.4, and I can read about all the changes that will be in it. You can scroll left and right and go through it all. So when I am ready, I'll swipe away and go there and go back to software. I can go in here and I can software update. So I can click on that and I can schedule it. So I can choose the time. I can install it now, or I can schedule it for another time, or you can do it on your phone. When you have a software update on your mobile device app, it will say software update when you open the phone. If you select release notes at the bottom, you can see more details about that software update. You can scroll down and read about it, but if you want to do the software update, you have to go back and click on software update. Now it is telling me the update will take 55 minutes, so yes or no if I would like to start the installation now. I selected yes, and it is beginning it. It is giving me a 2-minute countdown, and in this countdown I can choose if I wish to cancel it or if I want to let it go through. I am doing the update, so I will let it go through. This is just a part-way check-in. I've waited a little while. You can see it's at 10% of the install. I still have quite the ways to go. Now it's been 55 minutes and it is complete. I see it says release notes, so I know it is done. I can click on that again if you haven't read through it in the past. As you can see, there are multiple places that you can read through the release notes. But if you wish, you can get in the car and you're ready to go. Let's see what the screen says when I first get in the car now that the update is done. Now that I first sit inside of the car, it is telling me that I have FSD version 14.1.4. So it automatically preloads your notes if you want to read through it all right under the eye. Otherwise, you turn it off and you're ready to go. If you want to verify it, you can go to your controls. You can go to software, not navigation, software, and scroll, and you see FSD 14.1. If you've wanted to read those notes, you can go into your manual and you go to release notes, and then right here they have all of the different updates. You can actually scroll through here and look at past updates if you want to read about them, and then this is the current one, and I can scroll through here. I can't wait to try it out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any Tesla related questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll either reply directly to you or I'll try to make a video answering your question. Thank you.